Welcome to Module 5, Building Nutritious Habits, for our ECE 111 Childhood Nutrition and Safety course. Please remember to take time to review the module introduction that includes the objectives and your to-dos. In this module, we're going to learn about nutritional guidelines for healthy eating provided by various entities. The guidelines should be used to build healthy menus and provide appropriate options for feeding children from infancy through school age. The corresponding chapter for this module includes Chapter 12. Reviewing the NAIC standards will also support your knowledge and comprehension of this module material. Learning objectives for Module 5 include summarize the recommendations for building healthy habits according to the NABOR's Health and Prevention Services, outline guidelines for feeding children from infancy through school age according to the USDA, and summarize the guidelines for feeding children from infancy through school age according to the American Academy of Pediatrics. NABOR's Health is right here in Wilmington, Delaware, and we're very fortunate to have such a wonderful children's hospital close to home. USDA, or the United States Department of Agriculture, is a wonderful resource, as well as AAP, which is the American Academy of Pediatrics, and in previous modules you've also looked at other resources like the CDC. Things that you're going to do in this module are review your course schedule, complete the read-watch materials, that includes your chapter reading, and then you're going to complete the following assessments: your Module 5 discussion board, your second exam, and the read-aloud review and lesson plan enhancement. This is an extension of your written lesson plan that you did with your partner, but this is an independent project. The read-watch submodule has 11 items. So again, please consider how you're managing your time and breaking up the reading and viewing for this module. Chapter 12, Nutritious Guidelines. The PowerPoints are at the top. How purchase of care helps low-income families stay healthy. Purchase of care is often referred to as POC. What's wrong with POC? And child and adult food programs for low-income families. Then you're going to look at the bigger picture on childhood nutrition. You're going to look at the MyPlate guidelines, the NABOR's Growing Up Healthy 5-1 Almost None, AAP guidelines for healthy children, as well as watch a TED Talk entitled What's the Problem with Children and Food? Interactive read aloud. This material will help support your assignment for this module. What is an interactive read aloud? Watching Big Ideas on interactive read aloud will actually walk you through the various components. And if you're unfamiliar with how to upload videos to YouTube, this will be a helpful resource for you. Your complete items for this module include your Module 5 discussion. That's the same TED Talk that was in your read-watch. When you're watching any video, remember that keeping closed captioning on will support your comprehension. You have your exam 2, and then your read-aloud and lesson plan enhancement assignment. That concludes the review for Module 5, Building Nutritious Habits. If you have additional questions, you are encouraged to reach out to a classmate or your course instructor.